So you signed up for an AP class. You're a couple of weeks in and you're already filled with regret. This happens to a lot of my students. In this video, I'm gonna explain the benefits of the AP program and why you made the right decision. Okay, so the first benefit of the AP program is that you can actually use courses and scores from the AP to get into college. Most people don't even realize how pivotal high AP scores can be in college admissions. In fact, where I went to college, NYU, you can submit 3 AP scores instead of the SAT or ACT. It's something they call a test flexible policy. Remember, your high school transcript is definitely the most important part of your college application, and a transcript filled with AP classes shows that you've taken a challenging program of study during your years of high school. Colleges are also going to ask your guidance counselor whether you took easy or difficult classes and whether you took a wide range of subjects or just took the easy way out. AP classes are proof that you didn't take the easy way out. And if you score well in the exams, you can prove that you understand this material really well. So AP exams can help you get into college, and once you're there, AP exams can help you skip or place out of requirement classes. Maybe you don't want to take math classes in college, but they require you to take 2 classes in statistics or calculus. This is where a great score on the calc or stats exam can come in. At a lot of colleges, you just fulfill these requirements with the AP score itself. Many places it's a 3 out of 5, or a 4 or 5 at very competitive colleges. This also applies to subjects like foreign languages, science, history, and English. The individual policies of each college can change every few years, or depend on an individual academic department within the college. The best way to find out the policies and get the most up-to-date rules is to check the websites of each college or department directly. So in addition to allowing you to skip requirements, high AP scores can also help you earn college credits. And this is a huge deal because individual credits are very expensive. A great AP score on a single exam can get you an equivalent of 1 or 2 college classes. And earning all these credits can take pressure off of you when you enter. So if you earn credit for 3 or 4 classes, you wouldn't have to take a full load of like 15 or 18 credits during your very first semester. Maybe you're adjusting to life on campus and you don't want to take a full load of classes while you're settling in. Another benefit of getting a lot of credits is that a lot of these colleges will rank your access to picking classes and dorms based on the total number of credits you have. So if you enter college with a lot of credits, you jump to the front of the line for picking classes and dorms, and that can totally change your college experience. When I went to NYU, they gave me 28 credits for AP, which is almost an entire year's worth of credits. So I used them to graduate a full year early. I took a couple of extra summer classes and 1 extra class during my last semester, but I graduated at the end of my junior year when I was only 20 years old. Even with a scholarship, NYU was super expensive, so we saved tons of money when I graduated early. Some colleges even have programs that they call Sophomore Standing, where you can enter the college as a sophomore instead of a freshman, and that would skip you out of all the freshman requirements. I've had students who use their credits to take a semester off in the middle of college, where they can work or travel or intern somewhere. So let's say you've earned a full semester's worth of credits and you get offered a really great internship somewhere. You could just take off the spring of your sophomore year and work at that internship full time. And think about it, if you combine the full spring semester and the summer vacation, that's 9 full months of the year to work or travel. After your internship is over, you can just jump back into class and graduate with all of your friends in the spring of your senior year, basically right on schedule. Now, you have to be careful about every college's enrollment policies and pay attention to the rules, but it's really great to have that kind of flexibility. And that's what the AP offers you. Besides helping you get into college or graduate faster, AP classes are useful in and of themselves. In AP classes, you learn to write better or study harder and remember more. There are definitely techniques that you can use to help improve on the test, but you actually learn things in your class, and you actually have to know stuff to do well in the exams. And that's what I love about the AP program. It's not a dumb game like the SAT or ACT. You're gonna learn actual skills and content that you can apply in college and beyond. So when I was in high school, I had great AP English teachers. My senior year AP English Lit teacher was an official grader, and she kept assigning us in-class essays all throughout the year. I think we did like 30 of them. My first essays were really bad. I ran out of time, they were scrappy and confusing, and she was really tough on me. But by the end of the year, I got so much better. I was much more confident and I could really crank out great analysis essays in just a few minutes. By the time I got to college, I was like a machine. So when you take midterms and finals in college, you often have to write in these little blue exam books. And I remember grabbing a stack of like 3 of them for every midterm or final and just filling them up. And because I could crank out these really good essays quickly, I dug myself out of a lot of holes and wrote my way to a higher grade. And these were all skills I learned in my AP classes. Now, I'm not saying the AP program's perfect. Some people don't like their class or their subject or their teacher, but overall, the AP program offers all kinds of opportunities for students beyond just playing the game and getting credits. We know how hard the AP program is, we've been there, and we've helped thousands of students prepare for the exams. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe below. And check out our website, marcolearning.com, where we have tons of resources about the AP program, as well as videos, practice drills, and tests to help you prepare for the exam.